Hi friend, welcome to Enjoy Your Space. If you're here for the first time, my name is Nyantan Hmai. This is a motivational video. On this video, I show you my DCO cleaning method that I use when I clean my house. This is the part 1, a whole day house cleaning video. It's too long, so I've divided into 2. So this is the part 1, and I hope you watch out for the part 2. Here, deep cleaning. I'm cleaning my windows and vacuuming my sofas and decluttering and cleaning the floor. So let's jump into the video. So the office gets cluttered very quickly, and this is because we don't have home for our mails yet. So the other area that gets cluttered very quickly in the house as well is the dining table, and this is because my son uses it for his online classes. Sometimes I use it as well as my office, and this is where we have dinner, so things get piled up very quickly. As you can see here, I have my boss here with me, so they are here to help before they go outside to ride their bikes.
I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on, cause I do feel less broken.
So if you could see here, I'm trying to make my vinegar mix. I have a video up here. I'll link the video here on how to make your own. So now the next step on my DCO method is cleaning, is the C, which is cleaning. Now that I have access to the surfaces, now I can proceed to cleaning the surfaces. So here I'm wiping the office table, I'm going to wipe the coffee table, the dining table, and then I'm also cleaning my windows. I haven't cleaned windows for a while.
I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world. But I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm fine. See a picture of you, you leave me alone.
So here I am vacuuming our sofas as well. Especially having kids, you get surprised sometimes some of the things that you find under the cushions. So this is something I do regularly.
That I am moving on, cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, and this is the sign that I'm
If you're wondering about the vacuum that I'm using, I will try to link all the products I'm using here in the description below, so you do check out the description box.
When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light, no. Then my world began to spin. Where's the beginning and where's my omega? Have to make it right. Oh yeah, there's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go.
So here I'm making this mix to use to clean the floor. I'm mixing water, vinegar, a dish soap. You can use any dish soap of your own. I put in rubbing alcohol to disinfect the areas, and essential oil. So this is really good. With the DCO method, the next step now is the O, which is the organization. Here, what it means is putting back everything that you took out to clean the surfaces, and maybe even finding some items at home if they don't already.
No past, no tomorrow. Get lost in reflections. Dance with the starlight. You gotta be there. You gotta be. I want it closer. Bring me my black sunrise. You gotta be there. You gotta be
I did announce that I'm going to do a deep cleaning, and it seems that it was an announcement that everybody should just leave their plates whatever they want. And also I didn't do my night cleaning routine, so everything was just left on the counter. So here I'm following the DCO method again. I'm going to declutter the counter by putting the dishes in the dishwasher, and the pots and the rest of the things I'll wash them, and I'm going to as well clean the appliances.
the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. The tides are changing. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? ground beneath your feet, with a whisper in the trees. Do you feel us watching? Hunger in our eyes, victories on our minds. It's our time to rise. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop poppin', pocket, swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, swolla, swolla. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop poppin', pocket, swolla, 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 swolla.
As you can see, we have ended our long productive day with special dinner with family. I hope you enjoyed it. Watch out for, this is part 1, part 2 will come out next week, and consider to subscribe so that you don't miss any video that we post. Otherwise, see you next time. Bye bye.